Here's the following steps on how to make a QR code and ID card using a website and a Canva. So first, go to your Google Chrome. Then you have to type for the website, which is www.qrcode-monkey.com. Then go to text and type the name of your student. So let's say, for example, my name, Thinking Ko Miljoy. And then, after typing the name of your student, you have to scroll down, and then below the QR code, you will see Create QR Code, and then click. After that, you can download the PNG. Now let's try to open the QR code that we downloaded. That's it. And let's check to my gallery if it's there already. Go to gallery. Then let's check if the QR code is already saved. And there you go. There's the QR code that we made earlier. So now let's go and create an ID card for your QR code. Go to your Canva application and let's create an ID card. Okay, go to your Canva and then type ID card. Then you will select what type of card you want to use or what kind of template you want to use for your ID card. So now let's try this one. So for choosing an ID card, you can actually change the background color and the text, font style, and font size of the ID card. Okay, so now let's going to change the text and use the name of a student. Let's say, for example, my name, Thinking Ko Miljoy. Then below the name, we can put the grade and section. Say, for example, grade 2, section Mabait. And then there you go. After that, we can change this one into a logo or name of our school, which is Maligaya Elementary School. Okay, and just adjust the text and put it on the center. Let's remove this one first. Okay, delete. Okay, and then let's put this text at the center. Okay, there you go. And we can also put a logo of our school. So I'm gonna try it. So go to photos and then uploads. Then I have my logo here already, so we can put that on the upper right of the school name. Okay, then adjust the logo, and okay, there you go. So for this picture at the center, you can actually put picture or QR code. Now let's put the QR code that we create earlier. So go to uploads and then go to your files. Look for the QR code that we download. Okay, and then there you go. So since it's already on our uploaded images, you can use it and adjust it to put on your ID card. Okay, there you go. So we're done making an ID card with QR code. You can also add their pictures if you want. Now that we're done, let's check it on our gallery. Okay, so there you go. So now that we're done, let's download an application that we are going to use to scan this QR code. So let's go to App Store and search for the QR code attendance control. So now that I have here already, let's open that app and let's try to scan the QR code that we made. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here's the QR code. And then there you go. So we're done. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.